Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is likely the end of a wave forward. If that is true, then we are likely in a very corrective overlapping pattern for the wave 4 before it goes up and makes a wave 5. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this whole move down is a wave A. At some point, it is going to definitely have to make a correction to the upside, which would be a wave B, and then another push down for a wave C. I think this 50% is a very likely area right around the 178.2 to end this potential ABC of wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is down. Last structure level is right here, easier seen on a little bit of a shorter time frame. So the trend is down on the daily, down on the weekly, and down on the monthly. So what's that mean? That means I am definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames, because the last thing I'm going to do is fight the trend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a little bit of a bounce right here, but we have not a break of structure. If price does break structure, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. If it does not break structure, I am not going to be looking to go long, but instead I'll be looking to go short at the end of three-way pullbacks, lower highs, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. So, anyways, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down, which I think is very, very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So we are likely only in a crescent to these 5 waves. So if that's true, then this is probably going to do something like this: make a lower high, go up to a Fibonacci level, 3 waves up, and pulse of engulfing down for most likely another entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if it really does go up and break structure, like I said, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs after the break of structure and after the pullback that comes after the break of structure. But until that happens, I still think it's a little bit dangerous to look for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.